For this hair growth oil, I'm going to be using green tea, cloves, rosemary, moringa, and fenugreek. All right, so that's the green tea. This green tea is not the typical green tea in the bag. If you have those, you can use that as well. Usually, I will get my green tea from the Middle Eastern market. This is a very strong green tea. Moving on to the cloves, I use 2 tablespoons of the cloves. And did I forget to tell you how many tablespoons of the green tea I use? If I did, well, I'm sorry, y'all. I use 2 tablespoons of the green tea. Now I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the rosemary. To my amazing family, welcome back. Thank you all for tuning in. If this is your first time here, welcome, sis. If you love all things DIY for your natural hair, you are going to love it here. So please don't leave without smashing that subscribe button. All right, it is free. Okay, girl, so smash before you leave. All right, family, so I have combined all of my herbs into the blender. I blended all of the herbs. Now I'm going to be adding the fenugreek powder and the moringa powder before I add the oils. All right, so this is a very self-explanatory video. If you don't understand anything in this video, hey sis, let's meet in the comment section. Okay, I'll meet you there, sis, and I'm so open to answering all of your questions. All right, this hair growth oil is very, very powerful if you are experiencing thinning hair, or if you just want to maintain the health of your hair, you can use this hair growth oil. All of the ingredients that I use here today are all very powerful natural ingredients. All right, so now I'm going to be using 1 cup of the black seed oil and 1 cup of the sweet almond oil. After adding the oils, you guys know the drill. We are going to be doing the double boiler method. All right, if you don't know what that is, you will see that in a minute. So keep watching to see how you can do this double boiler method. It is very easy. If you love the video, please don't forget to like it, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Share this video to a family member, a friend, someone in your community, someone at your job. Share this video to somebody you think might benefit from watching this video. So the oil is ready. It sat in the water for 45 minutes. After that, this is the oil. This is how it looks. I'm going to transfer it into the jar, and that is going to stay there for 2 days. So I'm going to be infusing the oil for 2 days. You can keep this for 24 hours and then you can go ahead and use it. Today, I'm going to be infusing the oil for 2 days. So family, let's talk about a few of the ingredients that I use in this hair growth oil, starting off with green tea. Green tea is beneficial for hair growth. It prevents hair loss. It protects the hair from free radical. Green tea also treats split ends. The vitamin B that is present within the green tea helps to moisturize the hair. And family, once your hair is moisturized, you are going to see less breakage. So that is the oil. I'm going to leave it there for 2 days. All right. So it is 2 days later. Here is the oil. It has sat in a cabinet for 2 days, y'all. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain the oil. I started off by using my paper towel. I didn't go far with that because, y'all, it was like 1 drop at a time. And I have stuff to do. So I went ahead and I used my stocking cap to strain the oil. The cloves used in this hair growth oil contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of the hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which help with hair thickening. It prevents premature graying of the hair. It controls hair fall. It improves blood circulation to the scalp. I know some people have mentioned that cloves tend to dry their hair, but if you use cloves with a good moisturizer, you are not going to experience that. You have to use cloves with some form of moisturizer. All right, don't use it alone. Your hair has to be moisturized in order to not experience the dryness. But cloves are really good for the hair. So I have used that here so many times on my hair and my girl's hair, and the main thing that I have experienced for my hair when it comes to cloves is my hair gets thick. All right, if I don't use moisturizer, I do see dryness. All right, but if I do use moisturizer, I get to see that thickness. All right, especially the roots of the hair. Then we have the fenugreek. Fenugreek contains high level of protein. It softens the hair. It treats hair loss. It promotes a thicker hair growth. It fights dandruff. Fenugreek contains anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation and pain in the hair roots. So family, now I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of the vitamin E oil, and then I'm going to be adding about 20 drops of the rosemary oil. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you haven't smashed that subscribe button, please don't forget to do that before exiting this video. We also have rosemary in this hair growth oil. Rosemary is a very powerful herb to use. It increases blood flow to the hair follicles, which increases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, promoting hair growth. Rosemary controls dandruff. It limits premature graying of the hair. It also boosts the shine of the hair. It contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Rosemary is a great source of vitamin C. It is a great herb to use overall. You can use it all by itself and it is going to get the job done. So family, this is the oil. This is how you can make this very powerful hair growth oil. I am transferring the oil into my storage bottle and this oil is ready to be used. Yeah, this is how you can make the oil. I hope it was easy, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you have used any of the ingredients that I use here today. All right, y'all, so this is the oil. The oil is ready. Now let's go ahead and apply this to my baby's hair. I washed her hair about a day or 2 ago, and y'all, look at the shrinkage, y'all. It is real. Mommy is tired, and yeah, I'm tired. I will do this maybe a day from now or maybe 2 days from now. I don't know, but yeah, that's the hair. Look how thick that hair is. My God, look at that. Yeah, but it's giving health, it's giving strength, it's giving thickness, it's giving lustrous, okay? So she has been rocking the puff for I think a day since I washed her hair. I moisturized it and I just put in the puff. So right now we have it like that until mommy can gain some strength to do the hair. But thank you family for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you all in the next one. Have a very blessed weekend. Love you guys. Bye.